Hi Maker, I'm Angel at FleeceFun.com, and I'm continuing my ornament series with this really fun and easy to make stocking. It's cute, it has many different applications, and I'm going to show you how to make it. For this project, you will need the following. You will need Fleece Fun's files available on FleeceFun.com, felt in white, red, or whatever color combination you want. Scrap of felt in light pink, red, dark pink, green, and light green, scissors, quick dry tacky glue, twine or ribbon, glue gun and glue sticks, and white pom-pom trim. Alright, now that you have all those items, it's time to get started. Step 1, cut out the stocking ornament pieces from the free pattern. I need to make this clear. I have the PDF pattern, even though I'm using a Cricut Maker because I like using my Maker because I hate cutting out stuff from felt because I'm not very good at it, I'm just being honest. I have the PDF pattern. You can absolutely cut it out by hand, but I'm cutting mine out using the Maker. After gathering your materials, you will need to cut out the pieces to the handmade tree ornament. You can do this using the PDF pattern or using the Cricut Maker with the rotary blade and fabric grip mat. For the ornament, you will need to cut out 2 stockings, 1 cuff, 1 to 2 toes, 1 to 2 heels, and that depends if you want the heel and the toe piece on both sides of the stocking or not. 1 large holly leaf and 1 small, and 3 berries in pink and red. All right, now that we have all those items cut out, it's time to make the stocking. Step 2, make the no-sew felt stocking body. Flip one of the stockings so it is a mirror reflection of the other. Figure out the placement of the toe and heel before gluing it down. Notice how the heel sits on the stocking. Now I prefer to use this glue. You can use hot glue, but it can be a little lumpy if it's not used properly, so this takes out the lumpy of the equation. It just makes it lay nicely. Using the tacky glue, place dots all around the wrong side of the pieces and glue into place. Now it's time to add some trim to the bottom of the stocking cuff. Measure the trim along the short side of the cuff. This is the bottom. Trim to length. Using the hot glue, glue to the bottom of the cuff so only the pom-poms show. Flip one stocking over so the right side is facing down on the work surface. Glue the 2 stockings together using dots of glue all around the edge. This is so you can slip things inside it if you want. Place the longest edge, the side that doesn't have any trim on it, along the top of the stocking. Make sure that the end of the cuff is on the side of the heel. Place glue dots along the edge of the cuff and glue to the top of the stocking. Alright, looks good. Next step. Step 3, add some holly to finish the stocking. Using either hot glue or tacky glue, glue the holly leaves, then the berries into place. You can add a little loop on the heel side of the cuff for hanging if desired. Make it in several different colors. Thank you so much for watching. Please be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more awesome videos just like this one. It's a really fast and easy project. I love there's many different applications. It's good for putting gift cards in, handing out gifts to neighbors or friends or coworkers. It's good just to hang on the tree. You can use it as garland. All kinds of different applications you can use with this easy stocking pattern. If you liked this tutorial, I have several more Christmas themed ones on FleeceFun.com that I think you'll enjoy. Several different handmade ornament ideas, handmade gift ideas, all of that good stuff, so be sure to check that out there. And let me know in the comments below what was your favorite thing you ever got in your stocking.